Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into Google and we're going to click on after you log into your account, we're going to go to the waffle right here and click on that. And we're going to go right here to Meet with this little green symbol. So here's what you need to know. When you send your kids, I would only send your kids this link maybe about 5 or 10 minutes before you want them to join it. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to copy the link and you can paste it right in your Google Classroom. And it's really not that bad. Okay. So you're gonna click on join to start a meeting and name your meeting. So let's say my meeting is just Nardone. Okay. And I'm gonna click on continue. Okay. So now when I join in my meeting, you're going to see my mug, wave hi. Okay, it's going to say getting ready. You will be able to join in a moment. This is going to take a minute or two. Everything's been running pretty slow. Now, the kids can use their tablets, they can use a laptop, they can use a parent's phone to get on. So there's going to be two different ways you can get on. When you copy the link, it's going to be a link and there's going to be a phone number. So, and the phone number is not your phone number, it just goes with the Google Meet. So you're going to be able to copy that link and put it in. So if your students don't have a laptop to use or something with a camera, like I said, they can use a parent's phone or an iPad or something like that. I'm so sorry this is taking so long. This is what we've been going through. Okay, so, all right, so when I click on join now, okay, you see my mug. All right, and you're going to get this. All right, share this info with people you want in the meeting. So I'm going to copy the joining information. Copy. All right, and you'll see that there's a phone number right here. There's a phone number right here, and there's a pin for them to get in. But that's if they have to dial in. But you want to put this information into your Google Classroom. Okay, so we're going to go back to Google Classroom. Hold on. Hi. Okay. All right, I'm going to go in. I'm going to click on Classroom. This is so sorry. It's taking forever. All right, give me a second, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to open up a Classroom and paste it right in. Okay, so I'm going to go to, I'm just going to try out, I thought I had another one. All right, we're going to grab Mrs. Moranis's, since she doesn't have any students in there yet. Okay, So to write something, I'm going to click and write something to share with your class. I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. Once you did do that, you post. Okay. This is where they can click to go right into your meeting. Okay. Now remember, send this out about 5-10 minutes before you want to do your meeting, because once you send this link, everybody can start jumping in. Okay? So I hope that helped. Like I said, this is going to take forever to come up. I hope that helped. Good luck, and we can do this. If you have any questions, feel free to text me or email me, and I will be more than happy to help you.